In this guide, I'm going to show you the 2 best places to farm mushrooms here in Arc Raiders. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Let's go ahead and jump into this. The first location to get mushrooms quickly is in Dam Battlegrounds. If you would inspect, you can actually bring up a page that looks like this, but what you're going to want to go to is the Hydroponic Dome Complex. This is the absolute best spot that the community has found on the Dam Battlegrounds map. This area has a marshy swamp-like environment with lots of trees and plant life. What you're going to want to look for is mushrooms that are growing near trees, fruit baskets that you can open because they often do contain mushrooms, and water patches inside the domes, which is where they can also spawn. This is where I personally got a lot of my mushrooms. It's definitely the main farming spot. That being said, if you back out of this section and go to the spaceport and open up this area as well, another decent spot is going to be between the little hangar up here as well as the east container yard. These areas have some trees where mushrooms can spawn. It's not as consistent, but if you're already running missions in this section, it's definitely worth checking those tree clusters. Dam Battlegrounds is by far the best place, but Spaceport can be pretty helpful as well. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.